Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maulana Moreno Ibrahim and I am from class XRPL in Aidin Boarding School Jungle. And today in this video, I would like to share a tutorial or a walkthrough on how to import Tailwind and Flowbite library to your HTML file. It's not that much. It's pretty simple, but I'm gonna explain it as detailed as I can. So first thing first, of course you need to open your Visual Studio Code program, and then I've also set up a file as well. So this is my file, import Tailwind and Flowbite to HTML, and inside this folder we will add a file called index.html. Index is basically means the home page, and HTML is where you code your structure of your website. And you can just click Shift 1, then enter. Actually, no. Yeah, actually, it's fine. And then once you're done doing that, uh, open Google or any of your browser and open tailwindcss.com and also open flowbite.com. So Tailwind and Flowbite. So the first step that we need to do, yeah, and when you open Tailwind and Flowbite, it will display the front page first. So something like this. Also in Flowbite. So click the Get Started button first, both in Tailwind and Flowbite, and then installation. How do you install Tailwind to your HTML file? First things first, you need to copy all of this and paste it into your index HTML, the one that we've just made before. So you can click this button over here to copy it. Copied, it says copied, and then paste it into your index HTML. Just replace the doc type HTML before with the one from Tailwind. So it's gonna be something like this. Next step is to make go to Flowbite, and then here it is. Uh, Require JavaScript. Yeah. So copy of this from Flowbite. If you scroll down a little bit to number 4, copy of this, Control C, and then go to your VS Code, and then at the bottom of your body tag, paste it, and then yeah, that's it. And then the next step is to go to Tailwind, and first before we do that, we need to create a JS file, which is a tailwind.config.js file. So create a new file, then name it configuration config.tailwind.js, and it will show a yellow JS symbol at the left of your tag, and then enter, and then go back to Tailwind, and then copy all of this, all of the code from here. Again, you can click at the top right of the card box, copy it, and then paste it into your uh, config.tailwind.js file, and that should be enough. And to test it or to see if it works or not, you can first download an extension called Live Server. It's an plugin or an extension already set it up by VS Code itself. Just search Live Server, and then it's the one at the very top with the purple logo. I've installed mine, so that's why it says disable and uninstalled. But If you haven't installed it yet, it will say install. So click it. And then when you're done installing the plugin, go back to your index.html and then type something, whatever you want. Hello, this is a test paragraph, or it's not a paragraph, it's a header. And then you can right click your index.html and then open with live server, or alt plus L and alt plus O, but it's easier to just right click. It's not that difficult. And then it will open your index.html on your browser, and you can see the difference if uh, you can see the difference by looking at the font. If you've successfully installed Tailwind and Flowbite to your device, or I mean not your device, to your HTML file, the font will be like this, some kind of like a Poppins font. But if you haven't, usually it will show a font, a text with the font of Times New Roman, so something sans serif. But this one is not. This is, and I don't know. Maybe I can show you if I create a new file. If I create a new file in my documents, new folder, testing, and then if I Control Shift N, open a new window, and then open folder, to documents and testing. Where was testing? Here it is. Select folder. So this one over here, and I'll create another index.html. Uh, my bad. Rename index.html. And if I shift 1, enter, and if I just input a header 1, so, saying the same thing, hello, this is a test header, and if I open with live server, the index.html on the testing folder, live server. So this is different. This one over here, this is the one with uh, using this is the one where the folder has already installed Tailwind and Flowbite, and this is the normal one. So that's different. So that's how you know, and that's the indicator if you've already successfully installed Tailwind and Flowbite to your HTML file, I mean folder. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's review a little bit. First step is to copy of this from Tailwind paste CDN, copy all of this, paste it to your index.html, and then the second main point is to copy the script from Flowbite, this one over here on number 4, uh, copy from Flowbite and then paste it to the bottom of your body tag. And then lastly is to create another file called config.tailwind.js and then copy paste from Tailwind CSS, from Tailwind CLI, and copy the number 2. Configure your template paths and copy all of this and then paste it into the config.tailwind.js. So that's pretty much it. It's nothing much, but it's really useful because Tailwind, me personally, I like to use Tailwind and Flowbite as my library to create my websites instead of just using regular old HTML and CSS media query. I can edit, I can customize my website, my responses from tablet to phone, from phone to laptop, from laptop to tablet. I can customize it using Tailwind, and I personally say it's a lot much much more easier. That's why I am making this video to share to you all how to install Tailwind and Flowbite yourself if you're interested. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing much. I hope I hope this video will be useful for some of you. And thank you very much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate your time. Maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.